What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video on this channel. In today's video, we're simply going to be diving in on how you can set up Traders Connect for your platforms to start copying your trades on over if you manage multiple accounts. This is good for people who have like multiple funding accounts and want to connect them. Now, this isn't a video on the features of Traders Connect. This is just getting into setting it up and using it. And the reason why I prefer Traders Connect over social trader tools, I know a lot of people will be like, why don't you choose social trader tools? Is if you look at the pricing model, there's just this like a huge jump between 2 accounts to 5 accounts, especially for someone who doesn't need 5 accounts. So if you have 3 or 4 accounts, then why would I be paying $60 a month for only 3 or 4 accounts? I mean, if I have access to 5 accounts. And then the standard one, which is just 2 accounts, is $20 per month. And for my personal use, I need 3 accounts. And I don't have like a pay per account model. So like between each of them, it's just a standard payment. And with Traders Connect, you just have to pay $10 a month per account. So if you have 3 accounts, you're only paying $30, which you're already saving half off from choosing the Plus account. That gives you extra 2. Also, I think it would be cheaper if you go with Traders Connect, since 5 accounts, it would equal $50 a month, and this is 60, so a bit cheaper than that. But jumping back into here, once you have your account set up, you'd come to this dashboard here, and then I don't know if this will be collapsed or not, but you can always just open it up. You click under accounts, and over here you just click add account. So before you do all of this, you do have to register for an account, your own personal account. Then you would purchase however many accounts you're going to be using. So if you use 3, it's gonna bill you $30 a month. If you use 4, it's 40, etc, etc. Once you do that, you would have a little percentage here that'll show you how many accounts you have available or how many accounts you can add. Right now I'm 2 out of 3, so if I do my third one, it's gonna be 100%. But we just come over here and click add account. We name the account, so mine would be the 2.5K instant funding account. I'll do a capital K account, and then select server type. That's just MT4 MT5, so I use MT5, and mine is Think Markets. Well, the broker, right? Whatever your broker is, Black Bull, Think Markets, 8cap, whatever it is. Server, you choose your server, so it's a demo since it's a funding account. Account ID and account password is just the login to the broker to get into your account. So I'm just gonna pause the video, put these in, and I'll come back. Alrighty, so I put in the account ID, and once all of this is correct, you just click on confirm, and then it will, well, actually this was pretty fast, but it might take you a bit longer for it to connect to the broker, but this one took a pretty short amount of time. Once it's connected, we're all set. So you do the same process for all of them, and then to set up the copier, you go under trade copier, and then over here you click add master copier. Your master copier is basically the account you're going to be trading, and then your slave accounts would be the ones copying from. So we want to copy from, say, for now, since I'm waiting on a payout for this funding company, I want to copy my 10K phase 2 funding pips to my $100 account. So we choose 10K, copy to the $100 PA. Risk type, we do balance multiplier, lot multiplier, and fixed lot. I think lot multiplier is not good because I don't know what the use case for that be. Fixed lots, if you want to use a fixed lot, like that's pretty self-explanatory. Balance multiplier is I think what everyone's going to choose. It just basically risks the balance of the account relative to the master account, if that makes sense. So it will, on the 10K account, if I risk 1%, $100, on my $100 account, it's gonna risk 1% of $100 basically. So it's relative to the account size that you're copying from. Risk settings, this confused me at the beginning. It's pretty self-explanatory. So risk settings, so 100%, if you put 100% in here, it's equal to a 1-to-1 risk. So if I put 100%, that means it's risking 1% of my account balance. If I put 500%, it's risking 500% of my account balance. And this is basically not the risk that's associated with the master account. It's the risk associated to the copying account. So for now, because this is a $100 account of mine, it's a pretty small account. I don't mind risking more, leaving it at 500% or even at 1000%. I don't mind risking that amount. But normally, I think if you have funding companies, you put this at 100 so you can have a 1-to-1 risk. If you risk 2% on that account, it's going to risk 2% on the other account. Next, we want to check off all of these boxes. At least I do, because I wanted to copy my stop loss take profit and orders pending. I want it to be all the same. If we go under advanced settings, normally you don't have to do much here, but if you have a small account like I do with this $100 account, what I noticed that if you just click confirm and you go ahead and trade, it's not going to open up a trade on this $100 or this small account, just because the risk is too low. So the minimum lot size is 0.01, and it's trying to put a lot size below 0.01. So I have to go under advanced settings and click force minimum lot size and force maximum lot size. Just because, say if I'm risking 1% on here, it's just gonna, regardless of whatever the risk is, it's gonna put 0.01. So like I said, it is relative. So if I risk 5% on here, it's gonna risk 5% of, or relative to the $100. So if that means still keeping it at 0.01, it's gonna force that 0.01 lot size. That's basically it. You click confirm, and then over here you can see that the account is being copied over. Now I do have 3, so if I click add slave, same thing, you're copying from this to this 2.5K IF account. Same stuff. This time you don't have to force the minimum or the maximum, since there's enough capital inside of the account to like handle some of the risk involved. I don't want to do that since, like I said, I do have a payout pending for that account, so I want to keep it there. And that's basically it. This is all set up now. As soon as you open up the trade on your master account, it will copy on over to the slave account. But that's it. That's the video. Pretty straightforward, under 5 minutes, which is pretty good actually. But yeah, take care guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. I'll see you guys all next time.